Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can apply for Google AdSense for a WordPress website. Now here you can go and type Google AdSense, and then here you can see adsense.google.com. Just you can go here, and after that click here sign up. Then you can select your email, and after that here you can add your website link. Just I can go and let me copy website link and add here. So here you can select no, then you can select country, scroll down and let me select my country. This one, Pakistan. Then scroll down and here you need to accept terms and conditions. Then again scroll down. Then click here start using AdSense. Now we need to add information. It is optional, then click here submit. And click here let's go. So guys, now you need to verify your ownership. So you need to add this code in your website, and also you can use second option. So this one will be a file. Third option, meta tag. So just we can use this one. Let me log in into my website. And click on login button. Then let me go in website dashboard. I am using GeneratePress WordPress theme. So now let me go in theme file editor. And then here I need to find a header file. Let me scroll down and here you can see this one, header.php. Then scroll down. So now you need to find out this one, head tag, and then you can add here. So this is basically called meta tag, and then click on update file. So file edited. Now you can go back and click here I have placed HTML meta tag, then click on verify. So sometime it can take some time. So let me clear this cache. Alright, here you can see website is verified. Then click on next button and then click on the button request review. Scroll down and then click here submit. So here you need to select one of the option. So I can select this one, first one, then submit. So in this way you can easily apply for Google AdSense for a WordPress website.